In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set up Visual Code Studio Editor for writing C or C++ code on Ubuntu. First of all, you have to install this application. For Ubuntu, you have to run this command sudo snap install double hyphen classic and code. From the terminal window, you can run it. I am not executing this command now because I have already installed this application. So I will open the application for the configuration. This is the welcome window, and our next step is to install the necessary C++ extension. To install the extension, just click on it and search for C or C++. If it not appear, you can just type here C or C++ to search the extension. Okay, now click on the install button and wait for the installation. And if the installation completed, then you will get this message. And first line is to include the necessary header file and the main function that will return 0 by default. And suppose this code will return a simple text message. So I will type std double colon cout and the string must add semicolon. Now I will save this file. You can save anywhere. I am saving it under code folder and file name is test.cpp. Okay, now I will compile this file using terminal menu and click on the run build tasks. From here, I will choose CC plus G plus clean build active file. If no error appears, then you will get the message build finished successfully. And now you can click start debugging, and from here you have to choose C++ GDB. Okay, from here you can choose anyone and wait for the output. And this is our output hello. Now I will change something in the code. Suppose the message is hello world. And again I will create the executable file by using this, and now I will run it. You can see there is the output hello world. If you want to add new line, just add /n and again create the executable file. This is the output with new line hello world. In this way you can run any C++ code using Visual Studio Code. Hope this tutorial will help you to learn C++ using this editor. Thank you for watching.